In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your iPhone's green messages into blue iMessages. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. So, launch your settings app. Now, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, enable iMessage. For that, scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Messages. Launch it. You're gonna find the option of iMessage. Make sure it is enabled. Then tap Send and Receive and confirm that both your phone number and your Apple ID email are selected. This ensures your messages sent through iMessage. Reactivate iMessage. If it's already turned on but still not working, try switching iMessage off, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. This will force it to reactivate and often solves the issue. Lastly, give a fresh restart to your device. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, scroll down and click on the option Shutdown. Now slide the icon to the right to turn off your phone. Then wait for a few minutes and again turn it back. Following these steps should turn those green texts back into blue iMessages. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.